Magnolia. Welcome back to my channel and back to another video. Today is gonna be really exciting. It's something new for me. I'm trying a new hairstyle. I'm trying to do the spring twist, the fluffy twist. I've never tried the style before, never used this hair before, so this is really about to be an experiment. So hopefully it goes well, and if I posted this, that means it did. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I was contacted by Beyond Beauty. They are an Amazon hair seller, and their hair has been used all over YouTube, and I was like, yes, I'll use your hair, thank you. They were kind enough to send me 3 packs of their, they call it the spring hair, and I decided to get the color T1B/30. Here is the hair close up, super shiny, and it has the blonde end, so it's like an ombre, so pretty. And also stay tuned to the end, and I have a giveaway for you guys. I haven't done a real giveaway on my channel yet, so you definitely want to stay tuned for this one. And yes, it is something good, okay? Just stay tuned to the end. So for this style, I already washed, deep conditioned, and all that, and did a light blow dry on my hair. So let's get into this tutorial on the spring twist. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm back, and it's a few days later, but I think I finally got this whole spring twist thing down, so I definitely wanted to practice a few, and here we are. So let's get right into the tutorial. So I've discovered multiple things about this hair. It's very versatile, so I'm gonna show you a few things that it can do, okay? You could have this hair super extra long, or super short, or medium, like it's amazing the different lengths you can have with it. I'm gonna insert some footage here of it all the way down basically to my butt and right down to the boob area. Like, you can do whatever length you want. Now, to start off, you wanna either grab 2 strands of the spring twist hair or 1 strand. So this is an example of 1 strand. As you can see, it's pretty tiny, pretty skinny. And then right here is 2 strands. As you can see, it's a little more voluminous and bigger, obviously. So I personally like the 2 strands because, I don't know, that's just like the look I was going for, but the small strand's fine too. To make them extra long, you want to just start off with 2 strands or 1 strand, but this is the 2-strand method. And I just start off just fluffing the hair and running my fingers through it. This is the key right here. Grabbing the strands and really pulling it apart. Here are the pieces side by side. Stretched out, not stretched out yet. So, pretty cool. I'm just gonna do the other one now. Alright, so now I have both strands pretty much stretched out. You wanna grab both ends. And this is where you determine how long you want it. So I'm going to cross it over. As you can see, they're on top of each other like so. Still pretty long, but this will do. So I'm going to take the hair like this and start twisting. Now, to prep my hair for twisting, I just sprayed it with some water. Brushed it out some. And I used the Let's Jam and just covered it up. Now you can start this strand doing the invisible method, but I felt like with my hair it was a little on the fine side and it's really soft, so it kind of slipped right out. So I'm going to start off with a little braid, and as you can see, still crossed over, and just begin braiding. When it starts getting pretty long, I like to take a clip and just clip it up there and continue. So we can get all the way to the end. Now the way I'm twisting is kind of like how I twist with my Marley twist. I take the hair and twist while I go down. I learned for a fluffier look to just loosely twist it. As you can see, it's way fluffier than the beginning. Okay, so I'm basically done, and I'm just going to snip this little part off right here so it can be nice and clean. And there you have it. Pretty long. Let's see, it goes all the way, oh yeah, this is my waist, and it goes all the way past my waist. So, whew, that's one way to do your twist super long. I'll show you guys real quick how to do them the regular way, in case the super long is not your thing. This is actually a piece I had taken out, but you can easily put it right back in. So, I fluffed them both out and put them together. That's the only difference. Instead of just doing halfway together, they're fully stacked on top of each other. Like this. I stretched it out a little bit, not too much like before. Then I grabbed it in the middle, like so. So here's a piece of hair. You want to grab the piece of hair and like just put it on top of your fake hair. Take half of the hair and add it to a strand. So now these are 2, and I have 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And you want to start braiding like a regular braid. And I do a few rotations, maybe 4, and then I add that hair that was by itself to the opposite side that didn't have any hair added, and I start twisting. Now that was really sloppy because I was explaining it, but it's usually like way neater. But you guys got the idea. So your hair doesn't twist against itself, just clip it up some and continue. Let's talk about this hair a little bit. So don't underestimate the length of it. When I first got it, I was like, this is gonna be the shortest protective style I've ever done. Like, look how short that is. Like, but as you can see, it stretches very far, so don't underestimate it at all. It comes with 3 packs. I used all 3 packs and a little bit of a 4th pack, but that's because I have a big head and I doubled mine up and wanted bigger sections. So that's just me, but normally you just need the 3 packs and you're really good to go. This hair does surprisingly go a very long way. They look really similar to Marley twists, but I like these a little bit more than Marley twists because they're very flexible and movable and not as stiff. And they also, I like the ends better. They're just, you know, springy and they just look a little more natural than Marley twists. I added some beads to them this weekend. So yeah, this is how long mine come to. This is the one I just did. But this is how long I mostly have them to my boobs. They're so pretty. I like them. Definitely keeping them in until my birthday. Alright you guys, so like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a giveaway and Beyond Beauty was nice enough to send me some other hair to try out. And this is the Crochet Goddess Braid. Here it is. I haven't even opened it, so I'm going to check it out real quick for you all just to make sure it's the right thing. But here it is in the Beyond Beauty packaging. You get 6 pieces of the Goddess Braid. I'm going to open just one so you can check it out. This is in the color number 2. I'm also going to link it in their website so you can read all the great reviews they're getting on this hair. Okay, so here's one piece of it and it's super soft. But it's a Goddess Braid crochet and oh my goodness, whoever gets this is going to look bomb, okay? Like, please send pictures. So like I said, this is a giveaway with this Crochet Goddess Braids from Beyond Beauty. This will go to 1 lucky subscriber. And to enter this giveaway, it's super simple. You just have to be subscribed to my channel. Yes, I will check. Also be following me on Instagram at Nelia Bedelia, and yes, I will check. And third, just comment down below what's your favorite protective style and what season you usually do protective styles in. Like, I'm more of a winter fall person, but you know, some people love doing them in the summertime, spring, whatever. Just comment down below and I'll be sure to read them, and that's the way you really truly enter the giveaway. So make sure you don't forget that step. Definitely comment down below and I will send this hair right over to you. Alright you guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try out this hair. If you do, let me know down below. Make sure to enter the giveaway. I can't wait. This is my real first giveaway on my channel, and it's November, so it's my birthday month, so I'm giving away to you guys for being loyal followers and subscribers, and I really do appreciate you all. So please comment down below and follow me on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.